county.
As your father, are you willing to sacrifice your everything?
What is this? Where are my hands? Where are my legs? Where am I?
She actually summoned a slime, the lowest tier monster.
I've been saying this all along. What good could a Veinless ever summon?
A loser with a useless slime, a perfect match.
Look at this water globe.
Are you kidding me? I was clearly working overtime at the office and then I died and got reincarnated in a place like that. Only to become the lowest tier slime.
Well, it is a slime after all. I hear even the weakest adventurer can squash it with a single step.
Oh, it's still moving, Lady Vera. Is this slug you summoned trying to run away?
Elena Vera, you spent 3 months preparing the summoning ritual just to get this. No wonder the entire academy calls you a Veinless.
The contract has been established.
Yeah, it has. A Veinless contracting with a useless slime. Truly a match made in heaven. If I were you, I'd terminate the contract and disappear from the academy.
Don't persuade her. Let her keep it. From now on, in every combat class, we'll be waiting to watch her slime's performance, specifically how it gets instantly killed.
Let's go.
Oh, look who it is. Oh, look who it is. Lady Vera, I heard you summoned a slime.
How pathetic. The Vera family was once noble. After all, to think you've fallen this low, step aside.
Don't be in such a hurry to leave. Let us have a look at your slime. I've never seen anyone form a contract with such a weak monster.
I said, get out of the way.
What can that useless slime of yours even do to me? Spit some water at me.
Don't be too hard on her. She doesn't even have mana. Even if her slime gets stolen, she can only stand there and watch.
How about...
Let your slime play with my flame lizard. Just one bite, it won't kill it.
Even if it dies, so what?
What are they talking about? Feed me to that lizard? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, great idea. Anyway, you're useless, and so is the slime. If this slime dies, you can just contract another one.
Oh, wait, I forgot.
A broken vein can only form one contract in their entire life.
I won't break the contract.
Then just watch your slime get eaten.
Chomp down on.
I'm really gonna die. I'm dead.
Look, it's almost dead. The slime is just a slime. It can't even take a single bite.
Elena, break the contract. Once it dies, your mana will completely dissipate, making you even worse than a regular broken vein.
Don't die. Please. I'm so sorry. It's because I'm too weak. I couldn't even protect you.
Critical condition detected. The devouring evolution system has been bound. Current form, common slime. Evolution points, 0. First devour trigger condition, survival. Please seek a target to devour.
A system?
Come back.
Huh? What is that slime trying to do?
Eat it. If I eat it, I'll survive.
Devour target locked. Begin the path of evolution.
No, I'm too weak. I can't swallow your metal. After that,
Don't let them get away.
why did you jump in? You could have died.
So what do we do?
Either way, it's death. I'd rather die on my feet than live on my knees. Besides, I'm dying anyway.
You can't understand what I'm saying. You really can't.
Thank goodness. I'm finally not all alone anymore.
Poor little thing. Don't worry, with my system, I'll make sure we settle the score sooner or later.
Elena Vera, your beast attacked a classmate's contracted beast. According to Academy rules, you will receive a severe warning and must compensate for the damages.
But it was their beast that attacked me first. My slime was only acting in self-defense.
Nonsense! That slime was the one that pounced on the flame lizard first. We all saw it.
Yeah. It bit the flame lizard's leg and wouldn't let go. It even injured the flame lizard. Just look at this wound. That's because your beast bit me first.
Regardless of who started it, your slime did cause actual damage. The Academy has decided to reclaim your dorm. As of today, you will move into the old school building. Additionally, your living allowance will be halved. You may leave now.
That place has been abandoned for 3 years. There's no stove, no hot water, and the windows are all broken.
It's livable. Or you can choose to break the contract and leave the Academy.
A mannerless loser with a useless slime living in an abandoned dorm. What a perfect match.
Talk about picking on the helpless. It clearly wasn't your fault, yet you're the one taking the fall.
It's fine. It's better than back home. My home doesn't even have a roof. You probably don't know who I am, do you? 10 years ago, during the Demon King War, the Vera family, my parents died in battle. Our territory was divided up by distant relatives, and I was sent to the academy. Supposedly out of the goodness of their hearts. Then they found out I had no mana. Because I'm vein broken. Everyone is waiting for me to voluntarily dissolve the contract. Dissolve, the contracted beast will die, and my remaining magic power will completely dissipate, leaving me worse off than a regular vein broken. So I will never break it, and you won't die either.
Together, we will take those who looked down on you and bullied you, and trample them all under our feet.
Right now, you're all I have left.
The system says devouring leads to evolution, but what am I supposed to devour? I can't even beat a rat right now, but I don't want to wait around. Tomorrow, I absolutely must find something to eat.
Oh.
Ouch! Why does a slime still feel pain anyway? The devouring evolution system didn't say it had to be a living creature. Let me try this.
Evolution points +5.
Holy crap, why didn't you say so earlier? Only 5 points? Then I'll devour more.
进化点+5.
20. Unlock conditions met. Unlocking new form.
Now I'm big and hard. I could smash right through a shield.
Let alone that little gecko. Your slime bro here
Can crush him to death with one heavy leap.
Elena should be back soon, right? I need to get back up quickly and tell her the good news.
Yo, Lady Vera.
Cut the sarcasm. Why are you here?
Just here to visit you, and to see if that slime of yours can actually protect you.
Wait, why did its color change? Can slimes even change color?
So what if it changed color?
It's still just a slime. The lowest tier of monster is still the lowest tier, no matter what color it turns.
Let's see what that color change is actually good for.
What the?
Why is it so hard? My foot! My foot is broken! How can a slime be this hard?
Aren't slimes supposed to be soft?
W, what did you eat?
Eating iron hardens. You can talk.
Hey, you should talk more from now on.
Monster. That slime is a monster.
Do you have a name? How about I give you one?
I have a name. Lin.
Lin? Do you want some?
No,
Too sweet.
So you don't eat food, you eat iron. Okay, I'll go to the blacksmith in town tomorrow and ask. If they have any scrap iron they don't need. Yay!
Shit.
No need to thank me. We're partners, after all. You know, when I was working in town today, I couldn't stop thinking about something. Little Lee, if you keep getting stronger, do you think there's hope for me to gain mana too? The manaless have no mana circuits, which is basically a death sentence from birth. But you are my contracted beast. If you get stronger, the contract's feedback might make me stronger too, even if just a little. It's okay. Even if I don't have a mana circuit, I will still protect you. Together.
Get stronger.
Starting tomorrow, we'll go to the mountain behind the academy. There are low-level monsters and an abandoned mine. If you can evolve just by devouring, just go for it. I'll protect you.
How are you supposed to protect me in your state? Until you fully grow, I'll be the one protecting you.
Talking as a slime is so exhausting.
Lee, thank you for what you said today. Even though it was only a few words, it's been a long time since anyone talked to me as an equal.
You don't need to thank me. I talk a lot, so I hope you don't find me annoying.
Current form. Ironclad slime. Evolution points 0-100s.
Requirement to unlock next form. Reach 100 evolution points. Recommended devour targets. High density metals. Low grade monster cores.
100 points? That's twice as many as last time. No problem. I can eat my way through that.
Lady Vera, I heard your slime injured my underclassman. I wanted to see what this thing really is.
He kicked it first.
Nonsense. That slime clearly launched a sneak attack.
It even bit the flame lizard. This is the second time it's attacked a classmate.
Quiet. I didn't come here today to place blame. How interesting. To think the lowest level slime could actually evolve. To be honest, I'm rather curious.
What do you want?
Simple. Let's let my gargoyle play with your slime. If you win, I'll drop the matter. If you lose, you terminate the contract and leave the academy. After all, a useless loser like you staying here is just a waste of resource.
No way.
Do you think I'm joking around?
My slime won't fight your gargoyle. Move.
Fine. You don't have to fight. But I'll report your slime to the academy right now for attacking students twice in a row. And you know what the consequences are. The monster will be executed. So you understand human speech. Come here. Let's see just how tough you really are. Crush it.
What?
The gargoyle's horn. It cracked.
That's a C-rank monster! How is this possible for a slime horn?
Who's next?
It can speak. This slime.
Lee, come back.
After them, chase them down.
I'm wiped out. This. Hey, are you okay?
Pretty strong, right?
Sure. But do you even know what rank a gargoyle is? It's a C-rank monster in this academy. Most students won't defeat a single gargoyle in their entire lives.
They're just weak. They need to practice more. Do you know how terrified I was just now?
I thought I was going to lose you two. Lee, it's good to have you by my side. Can't you say a few more words?
You too.
Raymond won't let this go. His father is a baron, and he's been pampered since childhood, having never lost face before. He was humiliated today. He will definitely seek revenge.
Just bring it all.
We can't win. That gargoyle was just one of his contracted monsters. His family has much stronger ones. Besides, we're still inside the academy. His lackeys are everywhere here. We need to leave the academy. Not right now. Raymond will definitely have people watching us. We need to wait for the right moment.
Did you find them?
Not here. Go search the back mountain. System. How many evolution points do I have now?
Current form. Iron skin slime. Gargoyle's attack blocked. Impact absorbed. Converting to evolution points. Plus 15.
Only 15 points. I took a hit for only 15 points? But the next evolution requires 100. First floor of the novice dungeon. Recommended rank, rank D or above. Rank D or above. What rank are we? No idea. Let's go in and check it out.
Special quest, clear the dungeon.
Let's head in and take a look. If it gets too dangerous, we back out.
Dungeon detected, rocky mine. Difficulty, rank D. System quest triggered. Objective, clear the rank D dungeon, rocky mine. New quest, clear the dungeon by defeating the 5th floor boss.
The boss is C rank, and I can barely handle D rank right now.
What's wrong?
They didn't leave.
Goblins and beetles are the lowest level monsters. We can handle them. Is that all? Is that all?
This thing is so tough, I can't even pierce it.
Evolution points plus 10. Lightweight carapace.
Ling, your skin, it's changed. There's an extra layer on it.
Right. I can't let her know about the system. I'll just say it's my racial trait.
So, the more things you devour, the stronger you become.
Yeah.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Evolution points plus 10. Total evolution points 35.
Ling, on your left! How do you feel?
I want to devour. Getting stronger just by eating. You got the gluttony part covered.
Someone has been here. Probably senior students from the academy. Even though this is a beginner dungeon, they say very few people can clear the 4th floor. The monsters on the 4th floor can breathe fire. Your iron skin can handle high temperatures.
If we can find something to counter the fire, we should be fine.
Let's go! Play it by ear. Ling, listen to me. If we can't beat the monsters on the 4th floor, we run.
Makes sense.
What exactly is the monster on the 4th floor?
Flame Lizard King.
Fire resistance.
Where am I supposed to get fire resistance?
Wait. So this is the 4th floor.
Can that kind of ore resist fire?
Iron ore detected. Devour to acquire the iron bearing trait and increase fire resistance.
Found it. Absorbing iron ore. Ice energy acquired. Conversion. Plus 30 evolution points. Ice energy absorbed. Fire resistance acquired.
Iron ore devoured. Plus 20 evolution points. Permanent trait acquired. Iron core. Fire resistance. Plus 30%. Evolution progress. 55%.
Nice. I'm not afraid of fire anymore.
This is a C rank.
Get back! Let me handle this!
My slime is immune.
Flame Lizard King scales devoured. Plus 15 evolution points. Total, 70%.
Throat.
D-rank Flame Lizard King defeated. Battle rating, A. Bonus reward, plus 50 evolution points. Total evolution progress, sent being percent their evolution conditions. Consume 100 evolution points to unlock a new form or enhance existing abilities.
Are you okay?
I feel like I can't hold it in anymore.
Can't hold back one.
I'll tell you later.
They think you're one of them.
The system says I can devour you. Sorry, bros.
Same species, Venom Slime devoured. Plus 30 evolution points. Total 150%. New form unlocked. Venom Slime. Skill acquired. Venom Spray.
Ow! You've become venomous.
And you can spray it too.
So strong. What's happening to you?
System. Initiate evolution.
Consuming 100 evolution points to unlock new abilities. Form Fusion. Pseudo-Language Center. Lin has acquired the permanent ability, Fluent Speech.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hey, can you hear me? I said, can you hear me?
What? You can speak in full sentences now.
More than that, I can even do tongue twisters now. Eat grapes and spit no grape skins.
Wait. How are you suddenly speaking so fluently?
Probably because I ate a lot. Ate too much iron, so I got iron supplements. And ate too much poison to gain immunity. And eating brains nourishes the brain.
Do you take me for a fool?
Hey, what is that supposed to mean?
That is a terribly clumsy way to change the subject. Let me ask you then. What exactly are you?
Just a pretty lucky slime who was summoned. Yeah, a rather unlucky girl. Then I found out that eating iron makes me harder and eating poison makes me venomous. That's all.
Fine. If you don't want to tell me, forget it.
Stop overthinking it. The boss on the 5th floor is waiting for us. When I devoured that poison slime just now, some information popped into my head. The big guy down there is weak to poison. Its joints are made of rock, so the venom can seep right in.
You can actually sense that.
You still don't trust me. Let's go while I'm in tip-top shape. And I've got plenty of other surprises for you.
Are you really just a slime?
Would I lie to you?
The boss room.
Mission objective, defeat the C-rank rock giant.
Stand back in a bit. That thing could easily crush 10 of, well, me. By yourself? Since when am I by myself? Aren't you right behind me? Once I've corroded him so much he can't stand, you pelt his face with rocks. Ready?
Let's go.
AC rank rock giant. My venom can corrode rock. The system's intel was correct, but it didn't mention that this thing would be so damn huge.
This thing
is really C rank. That rating is only good for fooling kids. Did you actually believe it? Alright. Its joints are its weaknesses, and my venom can corrode rock. Stand back so you don't get hit by the falling rocks. Can I help? No? You can't take him head on yet. Wait until I beat him to his knees. Then you can come in for the finishing blow.
Be careful.
Don't worry, leave it to me. Let me add some lubricant for you. I'm fine. He's strong, but I'm tough.
You actually ripped his arm off.
Like I said, his joints are his weak points.
Lin, he's going to self-destruct.
No, he won't.
Rock armor slime.
Why did you become so heavy?
This evolution increased my density. You better hug me instead of holding me in your hands.
Is it over?
The speed-running slime.
How is that even possible?
In A-rank rating, we can't even get past the 2nd floor.
Making such a scene is bound to attract the attention of the Academy's higher-ups.
The Academy won't let this slide.
We need to plan our next move.
System, how many evolution points do I need for the next form?
Reach 1000 evolution points. Devour higher-level monsters, cores, or rare minerals.
That's her.
The thing broken of the Vera family.
The announcement says her monster is a slime. A slime clearing a dungeon.
That must be a lie, right?
You barely have the courage to stand there and gossip.
Let's get out of here quickly before things get complicated. Huh?
Elena Vera, move aside. That slime of yours. What kind of monster is it?
Keep flapping your gums, and I'll smash your head to pieces.
Don't get cocky. The Academy won't let you get away with this.
Since when has the Academy ever let me off the hook?
Report this immediately.
There's something wrong with that slime. It can devour, evolve, and speak.
Then, boss, should we just take it by force?
If we make a move now, we'll just get beaten to a pulp by that slime.
We should wait until tomorrow and gather a crowd to corner it.
Once we take it down, whatever secrets that slime is hiding will be mine.
They're quick to react.
Which means we have to leave tonight.
Do you have a lot of stuff to carry?
Not much to pack, really.
Just put it all in my stomach.
Your stomach?
You really don't know the first thing about a giant stomach space?
Lee, what exactly are you?
How should I put this? It's not like I can tell her I was a corporate slave worked to death in my past life. And after reincarnating into this world, there's something called a system in my head. That gives me quests. Right.
I'm just a wanderer from afar. From a very, very distant place.
How far is this place?
So far that I can never go back.
So, will you stay here?
Yes, I will always stay and protect you.
But you've only known me for a few days.
A few days is plenty. If you want to get stronger, I'll grow stronger with you. If you choose to go bad, I'll still stand right by your side. Whether it's the academy, the nobles, the church, or something even more terrifying, I will always stand by your side.
You promise.
I promise, but you have to promise me one thing too.
What is it?
Stop always trying to protect me. Your own safety is what matters most.
康师傅，您扛住。
Lee.
I can feel it.
I can feel the mana.
It's been 18 years. I always thought I was a Veinless, with no mana circuit.
I knew you could do it.
Someone's coming. From the academy, no.
Their armor is different. And I can sense mana fluctuations from them. They're much stronger than the ones at the academy.
They're after us.
Most likely. Let's get out of here, fast.
Which way?
We'll take the path through the dungeon in the back mountain to exit the academy. They won't expect us to double back.
Did we shake them off?
For now, yes. We need to cover more ground under the cover of darkness.
Let's head to Iron Needle City.
It's Iron Anvil City.
The Academy Library has a free cities guide. In Iron Anvil City, your background doesn't matter. Only your strength does. There is an adventurer's guild there. Since we want to be adventurers, it's the perfect starting point.
All right. I'll follow your lead.
Having a mana circuit really makes a difference. Back at the Academy, I didn't even have the strength to climb over a wall. But now, I can actually run for this long.
You haven't seen anything yet. Set your sights higher. You'll only get stronger from here.
Do you want some?
I don't need ordinary food. You go ahead and eat.
Lingua, do you think the Academy will chase after us?
Of course. A talking, evolving slime. And a Veinless who regained her mana circuits. No matter how you look at it, we're extremely valuable.
That's true. Let's go. There's a town ahead called Zephyr Town. We should arrive before dawn. Once we're there, we'll rent a carriage and head straight to Iron Anvil City.
Registering contracted beast grade.
Contractor grade.
Contractor. Elena Vera. Contracted beast. Slime. A slime. But it has special abilities. A combat test is required.
Slimes are rated level 1 by default.
Are you sure you want to take the test?
Yes. Let's go straight to the C rank test.
Fine then.
But you'll be responsible for whatever happens. The test is in the backyard. Knock down the C rank ironclad bull, and you pass. C rank test. Begin. Just knock it down.
"10 seconds.
Ironclad bull, knocked down.
Is that enough?"
B rank adventurer, contractor. Elena Vera. C rank adventurer.
A slime knocked down an ironclad bull in 10 seconds. Is this for real? It can even shapeshift. That last hit was clearly much heavier. Hey girl, what kind of slime is that?
Rock armored slime. What kind of quests can C ranks take? Clear out the goblin tribe in the iron mine. Reward 30 gold coins.
for this quest.
A D-rank party took it before, but never returned. I suggest you form a party.
No need. I'll go alone.
A C rank taking a slime to clear a goblin tribe? She's out of her mind.
Leave it to me. I'm so nervous. This is my first time taking on a quest by myself.
Don't worry, I've got your back. You make the decisions and leave the rest to me.
First, let's get something to eat. Then we buy some supplies. The mine is half a day's journey north. If we leave this afternoon, we'll arrive before dark.
Wow, our little Elena is so reliable.
From this very moment, Lynn and Elena's grand adventure in this new world officially began.
This is the place.
I can tell just by the smell that there's plenty of them inside.
Let's go. We've been spotted. 8 warriors and 1 shaman.
I'll handle the warriors. Keep an eye on the shaman. The shaman is making a move.
Hosts life in critical danger, triggering near-death devour. Devouring fire mana.
Devouring. Accumulated evolution points. 1200. Unlocked form. Flame slime. Obtained skill. Fireball.
She's fine now.
I can't cast it. I can clearly feel the mana. But I just can't release it. Don't worry. When will I finally be able to protect you for once?
You already did.
But I didn't cast anything.
You rushed forward.
You distracted him.
I'm sorry. I'll definitely succeed next time.
Fortunately, in that split second,
he got distracted.
That's how I got the chance to devour the fire magic.
You unlocked another form.
A flame form that can shoot fireballs.
Next time, I'll get stronger too. You will.
What do you think?
There are scorch marks on the clothes. It proves that Sama did indeed cast fire magic.
But he's still standing.
Meaning it didn't affect them much. But that slime in her arms. When I caught a glimpse of it at the cave entrance just now, the color seemed off. It wasn't gray-black, but dark red.
With lava-like pattern.
Can the slime switch forms?
Something is off.
Something is seriously wrong.
We've been tracking this vein's abnormal mana fluctuations for 3 days, only for it to be soloed by a C-rank adventurer.
The mana fluctuations coming from the cave just now
were first Earth type and then Fire type. He changed attributes mid-battle.
Do you want to recruit him?
Let's observe first.
I'd love to see what else that slime can turn into.
It's dangerous.
Danger is what makes it valuable. Let's go.
So
we keep watching.
We'll decide in a month.
Miss Vera, the mission is complete.
The northern goblin lair has been cleared. The leader's head is in the back.
You've been getting more efficient lately. How many does this make this month?
The 7th.
7 C-rank missions, 4 D-rank missions, all completed solo. The guild's evaluation is in
C+.
That girl with the slime got a C+. She only registered last month, right? From D rank to C+ in just a month.
She reached C+, faster than expected.
Still not enough. She wants to take on B rank missions.
She needs at least a B rank. Let her keep fighting.
In 1 month, she completed all 11 missions with 0 failures.
2 goblin nests, 3 beast extermination, 2 mine explorations, 1 escort, and 1 pursuit.
Each mission was slightly more difficult than the last.
What about that slime?
The mission reports mention that it switches forms an average of 3 or more times per battle, alternating between rock-clad, fire, and venom forms with sharp tactical awareness. He really pushes himself.
Determined as he is, her flaw is also obvious.
She can cast shields. Correct.
There is no record of her casting any magic in all 11 missions. She relies entirely on that slime to fight. It seems like her mana circuits are blocked by something.
That makes it even more interesting.
Captain, the time has come.
Elena Vera. And you are...
Run. Captain of the B-rank adventurer squad, Silver Wing. Your contract beast is very special. It can devour, evolve, and change forms. In my 15 years as an adventurer, I've never seen anything like it. Join us. You'll be able to take on higher level missions. Right now, as a C rank, you can't take B rank missions solo, but with the Silver Wing Squad, you can.
I have one condition.
Name it.
To me, Lin isn't just a monster. He is my partner. You can join. But you have to accept this.
Then from now on, we're partners too. Welcome to the Silver Wing Squad.
So, how many forms does he actually have? How many colors can he change in? How powerful is his fireball? How corrosive is his venom?
I'll tell you all in due time.
Boss! He's speaking again.
Nora, Archer.
Kyle, Scout.
6 people and 1 slime. Prep your gear tonight. Tomorrow we set out for the border village. Given the recent disappearances, the guild suspects high-level undead are involved. Your devouring ability might come in handy.
Are the undead really that strong? Why are you so excited? You don't know anything about the Wei Zhen clan. The Silver Wing Squad is a B-rank team. Captain Ren, a veteran adventurer of 15 years. Mage Leah, dual-element wind and fire specialist. Hal, specialized in stealth and tracking. Archer Nola, ranged support. You remember all that so clearly. I did some research before we joined. Are you sure you can handle the undead? I never devoured one before. But based on past experience, I gain the traits of whatever I devour. Fire mana lets me breathe fire, and the rock core lets me control rocks. It's highly likely necrotic mana will work the same way. If we can't win, we run! I'm fast! Lee, is there something you're not telling me? From the moment we met until now, whenever you talk about how you get stronger, you always seem to leave certain things out. I'm not stupid, but I won't pry. Tell me whenever you're ready to talk. Undead creatures. Necrotic mana. What happens if I devour it?
New quest triggered. Join the Silver Wing Squad. Complete the A-rank quest, The Catacombs.
3 days ago, 11 people, all dragged in the same direction.
To the north. The tracks vanish at the entrance of an abandoned tomb.
Strong traces of necrotic mana remain.
Elderly or children.
All necromancers aren't picky.
Talk about having no standards.
The trap has already been triggered. Someone went in ahead of us.
Someone else.
Fresh footprints. 2 people. Within the last half day.
Adventure. Doesn't look like it.
The tread patterns match the church's standard issue boots.
What is the church doing in a place like this?
The church isn't friendly toward unregistered monsters.
There's something ahead. A lot of them.
At least 20 undead.
Kyle, Nola, snipe the ghosts.
Nice teamwork.
That was just the appetizer.
Ah, the fresh souls of the living. It has been so long since I received such a fine offering.
The 11 people from the border village.
Kill them. I granted them eternal life. Their souls still linger in this tomb, singing day and night. And you will join them soon.
An A-rank undead monster. The skeletal dragon.
My masterpiece. Crafted from 137 dragon bone fragments and infused with 73 souls. The perfect undead. Now kneel. It is your honor to perish under its breath.
Get back.
Get out of the way. 5 limits. Maximum output.
Homie, how are we supposed to fight this? There's a bone of a different color. Dark green. I'll distract him. Find an opening to strike.
Devour. Devour failure will cause form collapse.
Swordsman. Yeah. Let him go.
Serious.
Concentration undead mana.
Unlocked form Necro Slime Soul Devour 凯吞食不死生物核心，转化为自身魔力。
Impossible. How can a mere slime devour a high-tier undead attribute?
That was my life's masterpiece.
Lin?
Hey, talk to me!
You said you'd always be by my side.
You said so. You promised.
You're still alive.
I did say that.
I'll always be here. You scared me to death.
See? I'm perfectly fine.
You changed back.
Yeah. I can change into whatever I want now. And I can change back whenever I want.
This form is still the easiest on the eyes.
My dragon. 137 dragon bones. All 73 souls devoured by you. You monster.
Ring the bell!
HP deploy the shield.
Who are you?
You're not worthy of knowing.
Your magic circuits
have been restored.
It's not just a restoration, it's more like the reshaping mentioned in ancient records. The shield and magic missile you just cast, their magic property isn't conventional elemental magic. It's dark purple. I've never seen mana of that color before. Is that so? Your mana might share the same source as your contracted beast.
I see.
Not bad, little Elena.
You're the one who taught me.
Mission complete. The necromancer has been slain, and the souls of the missing villagers should be set free now. Once we're back, the guild will reassess your adventurer rank. C+ definitely won't cut it anymore. Your mana circuits are fully restored.
What rank do you think I'll get?
Shut up.
At least, Lin. We're B rank now.
Just one rank away from A rank.
What the guild master just said, did you catch his meaning?
Gucci. He has seen something like this before.
During the Demon King War, only one kind of dark purple mana was ever recorded. The Demon King type. He didn't say it out loud to protect you. Your mana circuits weren't just repaired. You were never veinless to begin with. Your circuits were suppressed, and Lin's evolution is nourishing you, breaking through the seals layer by layer.
I know. Back in the tomb. The very moment my circuits snapped and reconnected, I felt it. It wasn't a feeling of I can finally use it, but rather that it was always there. Just blocked by something.
A bloodline with suppressed Demon King type mana, and a slime that can devour and evolve. It's no coincidence that you two crossed paths. Getting to where you are today wasn't luck, it was destiny.
Whether it's destiny or luck, we've made it this far anyway. He said we're destined.
The old man talks way too much.
He'd be heartbroken if he heard you say that. Take a break. I'm still not proficient enough.
You're already doing great.
It's not enough. Back in the tomb, when you were pierced by the undead breath, I couldn't cast it. If only I had been faster, even just 10 seconds earlier.
Your circuits weren't restored yet, so you couldn't cast anything. It wasn't your fault.
I know, but it can't happen again. For 18 years, I was incomplete. 18 years of being mocked and driven away. Like being told you aren't worthy. Lee, when I got the evaluation results today, I wasn't thinking I'm finally not a manaless anymore. Then what were you thinking? I was thinking that the next time you get blasted through, I'll be able to shield you.
Then you better train a lot faster. I tend to get blasted through pretty often.
Are you rushing me?
Yeah, I am. Get some sleep. We have a quest to take tomorrow.
Okay.
Whatever you say.
Lee, next time, I will definitely be the one standing in front of you. Okay.
Silver Wing Squad Mission Report.
Investigation into the border village disappearances. Necromancer, slain. Shibong Dragon, slain. 11 missing villagers confirmed dead. The culprits have been brought to justice.
The Seaborn Dragon is an A-rank undead monster. Isn't the Silver Wing Squad only B-rank?
They fought above their rank.
A sea-bone dragon? Are you sure?
Positive. Its bones are piled in the deepest part of the tomb. The guild can send investigators to verify it.
As of today, the Silver Wing Squad is promoted to A rank.
Elena Vera, your individual assessment. Under the mana section, it reads mysterious. Mysterious. Your mana signature doesn't match any known element. It's dark purple and possesses qualities of defense, attack, and propulsion all at once. In my 20 years as guildmaster, I've never seen anything like it. I've only read about it in ancient texts. What ancient text?
Only a month ago, your mana circuit was still incomplete.
Yes.
From a B-rank adventurer, Elena Vera is no longer a monolith.
Hey, A-rank squad! The Silver Wing Squad has been active for 6 years, and we finally made it.
6 years of climbing all the way from D rank. I've literally worked my hair red.
Your hair is red to begin with.
Shut up. Since you've reached A rank, there are some things you should know. What is it? Last time, I mentioned to Elena that the guildmaster had read about her mana color in an ancient text. I saw fragments of that ancient text in the church archives when I was young. Near the end of the Demon King War, a magic beast appeared on the continent.
Without a contractor.
No. It evolved through devouring. Starting as the lowest grade slime, it devoured iron to grow scales, manipulated fire, consumed dragon souls to sprout wings, devouring everything along the way, until it finally broke through the limits of magic beast.
A slime Demon King seed.
That's the name later generations gave it.
What happened to that Demon King seed?
I don't know. The ancient text ended right after that sentence.
Why are you bringing this up all of a sudden?
Because there was an illustration tucked inside that text. The mana color of the Demon King seed was dark purple. It was said to have broken through the world's barrier to a higher plane. Others say it died, perishing together with the gods. So it's no coincidence. You two are a second chance.
A second chance? To do what?
I don't know. The text didn't say. But one thing is clear. Last time, the Demon King seed didn't make it to the end.
Relax. Do I look like some kind of evil slime? Besides, if there's real danger ahead, no matter what it is, whether it's the church or the gods, I'll swallow it whole.
You slime. Why are you always saying such shocking things?
I didn't sleep at all last night because of that story last night.
I couldn't sleep. You didn't tell that story just to show us how special you two are. Right. So, what was your real point?
Your mana circuits are self-repairing. No. It wasn't a repair. It was an awakening. I've never seen anything like it. Lin can devour and evolve, and you went from magic veinless to being able to cast. Something within the two of you is resonating. A shared source of mana, synchronized in evolution.
Are you saying we're monsters?
I'm saying that whatever it is, take it slow. The Demon King seed in the ancient texts walked from the wilderness to the gods. How many years that took? I have no idea. But you don't need to rush. You have teammates now, and the guild. Why? What do you mean? Why?
You've only known me for a month. Why are you helping me?
Because you called Lin your partner. Anyone who says that won't lose their way. I'll use my status to shield you from the church's spies. So take your time, and just see where it takes you.
Take it slow. Reen said that something within us is resonating. It goes beyond the scope of a standard contract's feedback.
The system didn't give much explanation about this upgrade either, so I can't really say. Oh well, let's just play it by ear.
Do you believe him? It's you I believe in. Back in the tomb, when my circuits were being reshaped, I felt more than just my own mana. I felt yours too. It was like they were always part of the same river, and had only been blocked until now. He also said the Demon King seed in the ancient texts never made it to the end.
That doesn't matter. We'll worry about the future when it comes. For now, we just need to live in the moment and enjoy every tomorrow. And you are still, in your own way, looking out for me and sharing my burdens. I've never felt this kind of warmth before. "15 months. From the Academy's old schoolhouse to A rank in the Silver Wing Squad. From her holding me and crying in the old schoolhouse, to her sitting by the bedside, watching over Kyle until his fever broke. From the first time she sensed mana, to the moment she conjured her first shield. From when she asked me, when will I finally be able to protect you, to when she said, next time, I'll stand in front of you. I transmigrated to this world. With a system that gives me quests, I can evolve just by devouring. It seems like a pretty ridiculous cheat. But during my first month in the adventure party,
Cover the left. Alina.
Right.
Sorry.
Spread out your mana perception.
Watch for Kyle's signal.
Say fighting alone is one thing, but we really lack coordination.
Can't you stay floating when you switch forms? We still need more practice.
Elena.
You're improving fast, little Elena. That shield deploy at the end was very timely.
I'll have your back next time. Even though I can use mana now, I'm still constantly relying on you. What are you doing?
Fighting solo in Chain Cup form is fine, but now that we're in a squad, I need to adapt to Ryan and the others' combat habits.
How long does it take you to switch forms now?
Just over a second.
That's fast enough.
Not enough. It only takes Kyle 0.3 seconds to dodge an attack. If I can react faster than that, he won't even need to dodge it.
You're competing with Kyle? No, I'm not.
If I'm stronger, doesn't that make me look more reliable?
Do you two know the basic theory of mana resonance? Your mana shares the same source as Lin's. The key isn't coordination, but the heart. You don't need to sense where he is, or what he's about to do. You just need to trust in yourself. Something you feel.
Can you shift back? I'm practicing magic resonance, and your way of learning is to turn into me. Isn't it cute? No.
I even got the hair color right. Do you know how hard it is to pull silver white threads out of a slime body? I practiced for so long.
When did you learn to split your magic flow? Test.
That's just damage control.
Who cares what it looks like, as long as it works?
Spoils of war. It's a silver wing tradition for your first major battle fought independently.
To remember it by.
With more practice, you'll be able to shape it perfectly.
Wow, our little Lin is just too strong.
Elena is mimicking me.
Truly impressive. Because of the Demon Lord seed, when you two fight, your coordination is so seamless you're like a single person.
Couldn't you make it symmetrical?
I have my reasons.
When he fires a missile, you automatically clear the trajectory. The moment you switch forms, his shield automatically adjusts its attributes, a fireproof coating for flame form, and curse-resistant runes for necro form. You two are just ridiculous. Then again, the magic circuit between high-level contractors and their beasts forms a closed loop. They don't even need to sense each other. The flow of magic itself carries the information. That's the state you two are in right now. Though the range is still limited to offensive and defensive coordination in battle. Once her magic circuit is sufficiently restored, this range will expand.
How far will it expand?
No idea. Regardless, cases like yours are extremely rare.
Okay.
As a monster, I naturally have a resistance to harsh environments like this. Should you brave the bitter winters, I will gift you a city of pure white.
Little Elena is becoming more and more reliable.
Miss Elena is improving so fast. I'm starting to feel the pressure.
Alright, knock it off.
Yeah, she's really strong.
Why, you? What's that he's supposed to mean? Lin, your mana flow is so steady.
When you're steady, I'm steady.
On the fourth day, the rescue team arrived. Here is the mission reward, mana crystals. I'm giving the best share to you.
Captain,
This is against the rules.
I'm the captain here. Listen to me.
Is the captain treating you like his own daughter?
Do you think I'm joking? If you sneak out again, I'll squeeze you until you're perfectly symmetrical.
I got scolded. Stop.
Another round. You're slime. Since when did you develop a drinking habit?
Alcohol is the essence of grain. The more you drink, the younger you remain.
Last time you drank, your entire body turned wine red and didn't fade for 3 days.
I'll get used to it slowly. See? I'm fine this time.
Not bad. Your tolerance is improving.
Did he drink half of your share again?
It's fine, really.
Alright, then a toast to today's mission. Captain, wrap it up.
Mission accomplished. 0 casualties. It was our smoothest run yet.
The absolute smoothest. We didn't get ambushed by a single beast because you set up the sentries in advance. The magic circle was flawless, keeping the rear perfectly secure. Nora cleared out 3 ambush points. And how much farther did your mana perception reach compared to last time?
About 50 meters farther. Lin sensed it, and so did I.
I haven't even said anything yet. How did you know?
You turned into a giant fat bird back then.
I was scouting.
You flew so high and stood out so much. Did you really think I needed to sense you?
Huh?
It's quite impressive that a fat bird like that could even fly so high.
Never mind if it's fat. Just tell me, did it fly or not?
Oh?
Stop saying oh. Leah, look at this guy.
Have you guys noticed? Whenever Kyle speaks, if it's a sentence longer than 3 words, it's always to bicker with Lin. How rare!
To get him to talk this much, Lin really deserves all the credit.
Were you laughing just now?
No.
You totally laughed. Hey, Chief, look at him. He's giving me the cold shoulder again.
Again?
We have arrived at the royal capital, St. Glory City.
It's already been 15 months. Nervous. Why would I be? I was just thinking. If the people from the academy saw me now, what would their faces look like?
Who cares about them? It's not like we'll ever cross paths again anyway.
True. As long as I have you by my side, that's enough.
This is the guild's designated inn. Free lodging for A-rank squads. Clean yourselves up. We'll go to the guild this afternoon to turn in the quest.
Free lodging.
Since when was the guild so generous?
That's the perk of being an A-rank squad. Why do you think I've been busting my butt?